Chapter 1, Number Concepts. Lesson 2, Represent Even Numbers. Our learning goal is to write equations with equal addends to represent even addends. Our standard is I can classify numbers up to 20 as even or odd. All right, here we are with our 10 frame again, and we're going to work with the number 1. 1 is not an even number, so this number is not going to work for us. However, the number 2 is an even number, so let's get 2 counters. And these 2 counters can be split up into 2 equal groups, just like that. And if you look at the group on the left, there's 1 in that group. And on the group on the right, there's 1 in that group. And so now we have an equation. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Here's the number 3. 3 is not an even number, so this one can't work. Here's the number 4. 4 is an even number, so let's split it up. Now we have 2 equal groups. This group on the left is 2. This group on the right is 2. 2 plus 2 makes 4. This is the number 5. It is not even, so it does not work. This is the number 6. This one can be split up. There are 2 equal groups. The group on the left is 3. The group on the right is 3. 3 plus 3 makes 6. This is the number 7. Seven cannot be split into 2 equal groups, so this one doesn't work. Here's the number 8. Eight can be split into 2 equal groups. The group on the left is 4. The group on the right is 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. This is the number 9. This group is not even. It cannot be split up into 2 equal groups, so this one doesn't work. This is the number 10. Ten can be split up into 2 equal groups because it's an even number. The group on the left is 5. The group on the right is 5. 5 plus 5 makes 10. Okay, here we are with our next number, 11. Eleven is not an even number, so this one doesn't work. On to number 12. This one is an even number, so we can go ahead and start splitting this one up. I've split them up into two equal groups. We have 6 plus 6 equals 12. Here's the number 13. Thirteen is not an even number, so this one doesn't work. The number 14. This one is an even number, so this one will work for us. Let's split them up. On one side, we have 7. On the other side, we have 7. 7 plus 7 equals 14. This is the number 15. Fifteen is not an even number. It cannot be split up into two equal groups, so this one does not work. This is the number 16. 16 is an even number, so let's split it up into two equal groups. All right, in the first group, we have 8. In the second group, we have 8. 8 plus 8 equals 16. This is the number 17. 17 is not an even number, so it cannot be split up into two equal groups. This is the number 18. 18 is an even number, so it can be split up into two equal groups. $18 is split up into two equal groups. On the left side, we have 9. On the right side, we have 9. 9 plus 9 equals 18. This is the number 19. $19 is not an even number, so this one cannot be split up into two equal groups. This is the number 20. $20 is an even number, so it can be split up into two equal groups. On the left side, we have 10. On the right side, we have 10. So 10 plus 10 equals 20. Okay, so some things to remember is that in order to split it into two equal groups, the number has to be even. So thinking back, those numbers that were even were 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That is why we count by twos, because when we count by twos, we can find our even numbers really quick. We can go all the way to 100 by counting by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. I'm not going to go all the way to 100, but I'm showing you that if you were to count by twos to get to 100, you would find all the even numbers that you needed to work with. And that's the end of our video today. I hope you learned something. If there's something that you missed, please go back and watch this video again and make sure you do your homework. Bye.